This project knowledge base management system, it can be used to used by any company where that company can provide the information to that his employees, and employee can raise a ticket or read the knowledge base. Okay, so this can be configured and used by any organization. This project is developed in Visual Studio 2015. You can use in 2017-19 and SQL Server. You can use any version of SQL Server. So once you buy this project, you will get these files. This is the synopsis, project report, installation guide, source folder, and this is database script file. So I will configure the database. For that, I am using SQL Server 2014 Express Edition. You can use 2016 or whatever the latest version. Okay. So I will first start the SQL Server. So once SQL Server starts, you have to just connect to your database server. First, I will create a new database. I will give you the database say KB knowledge base. Click on OK to create the database. So this is the new empty database. There is no tables. So I will use my script. So I will just select new query. Then I will open that database script file. Copy this path. Click File, Open, again File. Select the script file .sql file. This one KB database. So this include all the create statement and database insert statement. So this will create the sample records also. So I will run this. So be sure that your database name is KB because it is written here. Click on execute. So it will create all the tables with sample records. So now if you can refresh the tables, it will get all the tables. So there is two set of users in this system. One is admin user, another is client. Okay, so I'll show you that also. Now I have to configure that source folder. So just double click and select the path of source folder. Copy it. Then you start your Visual Studio. So you can use any version whichever you have. So here I am using Visual Studio 2017 edition. This is community edition I have downloaded from Microsoft site. So just click on file, then open website and paste the path of your source folder. Click open. It will open the project. It will display all the files is available in that project. So you can just check the design also. Just double click here. So if you want to add or if you want to change anything, you can do that also. Okay. And this is the code. Here you need only change to that your config file, the connection parameter. Sorry, connection is written in the app code. So you have to go app code. There is a class CLS main.vb. Just open there. Now this is your connection string. Okay. So my database name is KB, so I don't need any change. This is a data source name. It is depends on your system. Sometimes it is localhost SQL Express. So you just check here. Just click this database. Right click here and properties. There is a name properties there. So you just copy this one and paste your app code. CLS main file. Just paste data source name and then save this file. And another setting you have to done, you just set right click and set as startup page. That's it. And close all the file and run your project. There is a two type of login. One is admin login, one is a client login. Without login also you can search the article or read the article. But if you want to raise a ticket, so you can search knowledge base. So if I try PHP search. So what is the PHP related question and answer is posted, it will display. Like if you want to select the knowledge base, there is a article is there, category. So I want to PHP, then subcategory. So install PHP, then search. This is same way. So whatever is already added by admin, you can select or you can view. Then there is a login, admin and client login. So I'll just first login as admin. So this details is ready password. You can use the installation guide. This is written there, installation guide. Or you can see in database also. There is a table called user master. So you can just change there. There is account master table is there. So here you can check what is the password of admin, and there is a called employee master. This is the admin and this password is password. So I will use that only. Login as admin. The password is pswd. Click on login. So it will display all the details like these are the users. Okay. So if I want to add any user, so I can click add new, name of the user say Oniket, and what is the user type, admin, email Oniket at rmp.com, username Oniket, also in question. So new user is added. Same way, suppose I want to add a client also, so I can add a client. I can add a categories. So this is the category already there. So I want to add a new category. Category name, say whatever, productivity. So now in that category, admin or any user who is able to access, he can upload or add a article also. So there is no article is available in this productivity. So I want to click add new category, productivity, article title. So you can type the use Excel keyword. This is for search. Article type public. Allow comment. Publish. This new article is saved. Okay, so if I go to that productivity, now this is created. Okay, now say I want to edit it, so I can just select and I can add new comment also. Now this article can be viewed by user also. Suppose again I go to that view article, go to that productivity, go. Now this attachment is there. So I want to add a attachment on this. So I can create one Excel text file. Shortcut key of Excel. Okay, now I want to upload this file, so I'll save it. It's a desktop. Excel shortcut. Now I will add this file. So this is the description of that attachment. List of shortcut key of Excel. Now click on edit. So this is the edit. So once user browse this article, he can download this Excel also. Okay. Now same way there is a ticket also there. So if any user raise a ticket, or ticket basically question answer. So I will show you in client login. and then this is glossary. This is for search actually. Okay, so now I log out and go as a login as a client. Now this is a login as a client. Now he can search the knowledge base. Okay, so I will go select knowledge base. Productivity is coming because it is previously added. Only one option article there, search. Now this file we have uploaded, Excel shortcut text. So user want to download, just click. Now I will log in as a users. So I will just go to that employee master. Is already record is there. Okay, sorry, account master. So you just can use that also, or you can register also. So I will use the Sanjay B as username and password 123456. Login. Now I already can check that productivity we have uploaded on Excel file, shortcut file. So this it will show Excel shortcut.txt. So whatever is there, you can check whatever, or you can upload any type of file, PDF, GIF, whatever you want. Now there is a ticket column is there. So if you want to add a new ticket, which is already previously added, so I can add a new text. So I will just select productivity title, whatever, how to convert Excel to PDF. I'll post this keyword. If I want to Excel to PDF, you can add, submit. Okay, so I'll log in as a now. With this ticket will show. Reply will given by admin or any users, company users. Okay, so I'll click on login. Click on login as admin, or I already create one user, Oniket. He's admin user, so he can also reply. Now ticket, how to, this is coming, how to create. So you can just click on reply. Use print option. PDF printer. Submit. Now when user is again login, he can view that reply also. Okay, now I again click log out and login as a Sanjay Babu. Client login. Sanjay B. Password I give. Now if in go ticket, now this is coming the reply view. So he can view. He cannot submit. He can only check and click on go back. Okay. So basically this is the project. It is basically can use by any organization. It is open forum kind of thing. Employee can log a request, employee can search the knowledge, and he can read, he can reply, he can comment. Okay, so any number of question answer can be managed. Like HR can use this, whatever query to the employee can raise and HR person can answer. Same thing can any technical thing also can be done from here. So once you buy this project, you will get all the file like this installation guide. I already show you installation guide. Then this one you will get installation guide, project report, synopsis, and source code and database script. So you can use any Visual Studio version to configure this project.